beautiful mermaids, this is LoloLove here once again. Welcome back to my channel. A lot of you have been requesting for me to do a video on how I curl my hair, so I decided to do this video for you guys. And the curling wand that I'm going to be using is one that I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of. It's the Nume 3-in-1. It came in a box like this and it has two other different sizes. I think this is a 1/2 inch, the 1 inch. I use the 1.5 inch only because I want my curls to be bigger and like loose like that. But if you want your curls to be tighter, then you can use a smaller barrel. So I just part my hair in the middle like so, and I start by grabbing section by section. I start by my the back of my hair. I grab like a 1 inch or a 1/2 inch section, and I put the wand behind the hair, and then I just wrap it around and let it like 10 seconds, and then slowly like release the curl in your hand so it can kind of cool down, and that's gonna make your curl last longer. I do all of my hair like that, but when I get to the front section of my hair, I like to put the wand in front of my hair like so. You put it in front and then you just wrap it. The other ones are in the back and then just wrap it. So all of this is going away from the face and this is going towards the face, front section. And this is gonna create a nice frame for your face. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, my beautiful mermaids, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for all of you. If this video was helpful at all, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe because I'll be making videos every week. Alright, take care and I'll see you in my next video.